On your dashboard, click on Open Account to move forward in your onboarding process. Next, select the type of IRA that's right for you and how you'd like to fund it. Finally, depending on which method you're using to fund your account, you'll input relevant information. Once you agree to the terms, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. This is where you'll always log in to view your account and invest 24/7, 365. Congratulations! Your initial funding event has been created. If you're doing more than one funding event or want to add funds in the future, click Add Funds on your account homepage. Need more assistance? You can contact our client experience team by submitting a support request or calling us directly via the link and number in the description below.